What's up, guys? It's Mike from Beer Don't Lie. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for you and a demo showing off this new product. So this is the Bissell Bark Bath Dual Use. This is the third gen of the Bark Bath. Bissell made the first Bark Bath about 2 years ago, I believe, and then they came out with the second gen, which was called the QT, the Bark Bath QT, which was just a quieter motor that it was being used. Now this one is the third gen, and it has an even quieter motor than the second gen, and it's a dual use, so you can also clean your carpets and rug as well as your pups. So this was on an Indiegogo for a kickstarting campaign for this one. And since we have a husky and she hates taking baths, I figured that this may be a good solution because she is just awful with baths. She just hates it. So we're hoping that this might be a better way to bathe her and also keep her clean and everything like that. So let's get into the box and see what we get. So this is how it came shipped to me. So I don't know if there's going to be a second packaging. Oh, nope, this is just how it is. So here is what's in the box. They give you a very nice detailed little diagram here. You have the tool tray, a tool retention clip, a hose clip, an adapter tool, the deep cleaning solution tank, a 3-inch deep cleaning tool, the hydro rinse tool, and pet accessory clips and nozzles, and the pet cleaning tool for bathing your dog. See reverse for a quick start guide. So here is the quick start guide. We're going to have to go through all of this before we bathe our pup, but it seems pretty well detailed. But we'll go over that in a minute. So let's just see what else is in here. We have our manual, our thank you, showing the different types of shampoos that they have. So they have oatmeal, white tea and aloe, vitamin E, and honey blossom. So we'll have to see which one is in here. Supposedly there's one in here. Our puppy is trying to get on the goodies. Alright, save this for later. Okay, we'll save her for later. Right there. So this is the manual. Talks about a story from Hudson. Again, what's in the box. So what comes in the box as far as the shampoo is a 20-ounce no-rinse dog shampoo. Before you get started, assembly. Talks about noise sensitivity and anxious dogs. Has more of the cleaning formulas. Has more of what you can use to clean with it. And then how to use it. Basically the same thing as what was in our quick start guide that I just briefly showed you. And then it shows you how to clean your carpet. And then how to clean your product. Maintenance and care. And the dog coat guide. Okay, so this will be good too because our husky, she's got not a super long coat, but I would say it's definitely going to be the double coat because she is a husky. So we'll have to go with that. And that is so I'm guessing right here are the ones most likely to work best for your dog's hair. So the medium and the long and the thick are going to work best. So that's good to know. It's a pretty good chart. And then if you have any troubleshooting with it. So right opening it after your quick start guide and manual and everything. So we have all the tools and adapters that come in it. Let's go the other way. And then this is it right here. We have a microfiber cloth. We have a carrying case. And then we have the spot cleaning formula for the carpets. and the no rinse dog shampoo for the puppy. And then this thing, which I'm not sure what that's for just yet. So we'll figure all this stuff out. And that's it in there. So we'll just get that out of the way. So, and also, we have a stunt husky just in case. Right? No, you don't want him in the shot? Alright, let's get rid of him. Alright, so this is everything that is in the box. This is everything that you get. Minus the dog and her bone. So, I mean, it's a fair amount of stuff. Alright, so let's start assembling everything, and then we'll see what we gotta do next. Alright, so we're going to be, since we're going to be bathing our dog, we're going to go through all this setup. So it says what you'll need is your unit, of course. You'll need the grooming clips, which just says clips and nozzles on the thing. So that is these right here. They look like little combs. These are the grooming clips. So we'll just set these out on here for now. And then we'll need the spray nozzles, which are each of these that look like little brushes. And then this one already has one on it. This is for the long. So, and then we will need this, which is the pet cleaning tool. Again, on the back it says pet cleaning tool, so that's so you know where it is. And then we will need the dog shampoo. So for right now, everything else, let's just set off to the side. Now another thing you're going to need is, you may not need this fiber towel right now, or the carrying case, but you will need this microfiber mat. Even though it doesn't really say it in here what you need, it does say in the instructions that the unit goes on top of this, so it doesn't. So I guess if any water spills, it will soak it up, and also it helps prevent it from wobbling on floors and stuff like that. But to get started, we'll start with number one. It says fill your clean water tank with warm water. So up on the top it says clean water and dirty water. So we're just going to take the clean water tank off and fill it up. Now in the instructions it shows two different places you can fill it. Right here in this little blue thing, or you can unscrew this and fill it from there. So we're just going to pop this off and see how well it fills this. This is warm water I've already got from my sink. We're just going to fill it up. And remember not to do hot water, since it will be going on your pet. But it does state warm water on the instructions. So let's just get some of these bubbles out. So it is almost taking up a full gallon. So out of a full gallon, there's maybe less than a fourth left. So I mean, that's a lot of water in there. Now, before you put this back in, we also have to take this out right here, which this is your no rinse dog shampoo pet tank. Then there's also another tank of this for your carpet, so you don't mix up the shampoos. So we're just going to fill this, and it shows doing it from the bottom. And this is the oatmeal one, which is great for our pup because she does have dry skin and dandruff. So this will help with that. And again, it doesn't say how much to fill it up to, so we're just going to fill it up to the top. Which takes about half this bottle. Alright, so there's that. Just going to set that in there. Set the water in there. Now the next thing on our list, let's just get these off here. All right. So next thing on our list is find the best nozzle and clip attachment comb for your dog and attach the cleaning tool. So we have fine, thick, and smooth for the 3 different grooming clips. And if we go back to our little guide over here, so for a double coat, it says a thick, which is this one right here. And basically the difference between these 2 and this thick one is this one has metal bristles, whereas the other 2 have plastic bristles. And then medium or long is going to work on the actual nozzle. So right now long is on there. So I think maybe we'll just stick with long for right now and just see how well that works. So if your thing isn't already on there yet, it just kind of like slips on. It's got little guides. And it clips on. And then this, it goes how's it go? Alright. So I guess it goes like that. Alright. So just show you again. The brush one goes on the bottom. And there's these little guide rails. It just kind of like fits over the guide rails and then clips in. And the actual comb, or the grooming clip, which they call it, goes on top. And it also has like a little guide rail. And it has a little bit of a clip, but nothing too firm. So it does like clip on there. So that's what that would look like. The next thing is it says to put it on the mat. I've already done that. And it says 6, place the nozzle firm, flush against your dog's body, pull the spray trigger, groom your dog in a downward motion, release the trigger, and lift away after each press. Continue until your dog is clean. So now, I guess we have to turn it on, even though it didn't tell me to. So let us start that. So again, we don't need these just a moment. We'll just set those back here. Naomi, you ready? Come here. She's like, I'm done with this. Come here. Come here, baby. Come here. She's a little camera shy. Come here, baby. Come here, right here. Okay. So she's a little nervous, but she'll be okay. Alright, you're good? You're good. Alright, so we're just going to see how she reacts to the sound. Come here, Naomi. It's not that loud. See? Come here. Right here. I think she's a little nervous, but I don't think it completely scared her because with the vacuum, she'll like completely run away. So I think as far as the sound goes, I think it's not something that she would be completely scared of. Come here. Come here. Come here. Up in front. Come here. Alright, so we're going to assemble it really quick. And there's only 4 steps to assembling it. So it says you will need the following. The bark bath unit, the pet cleaning tool clip, the hose clip, and the tool tray. So if we look at our what's in the box, we have our tool tray, that's right here. We have our hose clip, which is right here. And then we have the pet cleaning tool clip. So I'm guessing it's this tool retention clip. Even though they have it listed back here as pet cleaning tool clip. So I'm having to guess it's probably this. So right off the bat, your first 3 items right here in the top are what you're going to need for assembly. So let's see. So right here in the front, we have the hose clip. It just says insert. Alright, just like that. Then we have the pet insert cleaning tool clip, which again, I'm guessing is this. And then it's an insert and twist thing. And it can only fit one way. So even though it has 2 little clip things, they can only fit in there one way. So it's pretty idiot proof at the moment. Then it says wrap flex hose around the unit. Just like that. And then that's it at the moment. And then place the tray, which is this right here, on the top. And it just fits right inside there. I don't know why they just didn't have that already assembled in there. So that's the assembly. So we are now ready to start getting everything, either bathing our dog or cleaning our carpet. So we're going to be doing by bathing our dog first, and then depending on how messy it is, we're probably going to clean our carpet and see how well it works. So let's get started as it says right here. Naomi, come here.
Naomi, go to Daddy.
Come here.
Go ahead, go to Daddy.
Ah. Sit down. Okay, now that we have our star back in place, I took her collar off so I can get more down her back and everything like that. We now have it set to shampoo. And we're going to try this one more time. So let's just turn it on and see if we actually get some soap.